Good morning, beautiful people. Today is an exciting day. One that, if you've been following me through 2020, you might be excited for me as well. It is the walkthrough, the final walkthrough before closing day. So when you buy a house, especially if you buy an existing house, but if you have a new build or whatever, you get a final walkthrough. You make sure everything that was found on the inspection that you asked them to fix have been fixed and repaired, and everything is good. Everything is in working order. You need to test everything in the house. This is also a time where if you're going to replace anything, you can take measurements. You can get a really good look at the property before you move in. I will be doing the final walkthrough with my realtor, as well as one of my best friends who has been going along this journey with me. So really excited about that as well. I just found a gray hair in my eyebrow, like total side note, right? Like total side note. I just found a gray hair in my eyebrow. Nothing makes you feel like, girl, you old, than a gray hair in your eyebrow. Like it's like right here. It looks, you maybe can't see it right there. You see it? I heard that the hormone that changes hair from dark to gray also fights cancer. So, and everyone in my family has gone gray early, and no one has had cancer. So I'm not going to complain. I'm going to go with it. But she can't stay, though. She can't stay. Like, now we're going to have to add eyebrow tinting to the beauty routine. Oh my goodness, y'all. So much is just getting added to this beauty routine. But I can give an update on my laser hair removal. I showed you in the last vlog that I did laser hair removal. Well, not the last vlog. The last vlog was about my week of fasting and prayer. But the one about the end of 2020, the hair grows back and then it just falls out. So it just literally falls out. It's so good. It's been so good, so good. Now my mustache, I have had to shave it. You can't pluck any hairs, but I have had to shave it because she was coming back a little thickums, okay? But everywhere else, the hair just grows and then it falls out, which is what they said it was going to do. My poo-poo wanted to get in the closet. He likes to chill in there. So I'm finishing up my beauty routine. I'm going to make a smoothie to go. I'm gonna get all this stuff. And then my friend is going to come pick me up and we're going to go to the final walkthrough. I was about to make a smoothie with my frozen fruits and my oat milk and yogurt and peanut butter. And my friend is like, I'm exiting the freeway. And my realtor just texted me, I'm at the house. So I don't have time for this. I have no time for breakfast. So I'm just going to take my blood pressure medicine on an empty stomach and leave the house now. That's all we got time for. Hello, beautiful people. It is Tuesday. So when I last saw you, I was going to do the final walkthrough of the house. I didn't film it because I definitely want to do a full house reveal later, and I already gave you a sneak peek, but and because that is official business. When you do your final walkthrough, you need to go with the mindset you're looking for the things that could be wrong with the house that were not wrong at first. You flush all the toilets, which we had a little drama there at first. You let all the pipes you let all the water go through the pipes. I ran the dishwasher. We turned on the stove. So we're doing that kind of thing. We turned on the heater and made sure it worked. And so it was just a lot of work, a lot of tasks to get through. I had one of my best friends with me, so she definitely helped in a lot of ways, and I'm so appreciative of her and my realtor / cousin as well. But after that, I actually had like a doctor's appointment yesterday and all this other stuff to do. Like this week is mad adulting, and today is Tuesday, and I had to take my car to the car dealership for the 90,000 mile service. So if you own a Mercedes-Benz like I do, you know that you really just have like the annual services. And so it was my 90,000 mile service, and I thought it was gonna be so expensive, you guys. And I had saved way more money than I needed for that appointment. And I was so happy that my independent dealer literally gave me a bill for basically maybe $390 or something like that. And that included my annual emissions testing, which was about $25.50 here in the state of Texas. So super excited about that too, because all the money I save, I really need, because I ended up getting a citation for my home alarm that went off on New Year's Day when Prince Mighty was here by himself. And the city of Houston charges like $350 for those citations. So any money saved is already spent on that. Adulting. I also wired the money over today from my savings account to the title company ahead of the expected close on tomorrow. So I'm super excited about that. And I'm also excited because tomorrow is inauguration day. So not only am I going to a new phase in my life, but the entire American country, as well as the entire world, because the world is so tied to American politics. So I feel like I'm super, super excited. However, I've been packing, and just so you guys know, I've been trying to do a capsule wardrobe and just have limited clothing out. Just have limited clothing out and wear them, but I forgot to take out an outfit for inauguration day and closing and to look really cute. If you remember the leather leggings that I bought, they came in and I had no intentions of wearing them, but now I'm thinking I gotta try these on and see if they fit. And if so, I'm gonna wear these tomorrow, maybe with a white button down. And then I'm gonna wear like my Spelman pin and wear some pearls to support new Vice President Kamala Harris. So these are the pants. I'm gonna try them on and let you know how they fit and how they look. So that's what's going on today. The big drama of the day was, when do I get my final closing documents? And why is it taking so long? And where are they? And then I finally got the last of the paperwork, and you guys, it was less than I initially thought. And my lender actually had mercy. Like, God is so good. Like, he just gives us the desires of our hearts. Thank you, Lord, so much, because he saw fit to move the lender's heart to give me a credit and the credit was over $1,500, and it covered all of the excessive costs that I have paid for previous. It covers the excessive cost that I've already paid for various inspections on the properties where the deal fell through. So for house number 1 and house number 2 that you all saw that I put offers on, and I did the inspection and I got the appraisal, and I had already paid for that, and each time it's like $400 to $500 a piece. It really added up and took a chunk out of my savings, but my glasses are so dirty, but it all worked out because they gave me a credit, and I'm so appreciative of it. So I'm gonna try these on. I gotta get my look together for tomorrow. Let me tell you guys, I gotta represent for the HBCUs, for the blacks, for the females. Okay, we have to represent for America, for the Christians, for those of us of pure hearts, for those who show empathy to our brothers and sisters, no matter their race, religion, creed, for those of us who just love our neighbors as ourselves, right? And I need a look for that. So these are all of the clothes that I've left in my closet, a very, very small percentage compared to the overall number of items I have in my wardrobe. And then I only have like 2 handbags out and this Spelman cap. I actually sleep in this little shirt. I slept in it last night. And then I just have my normal pajamas and stuff. Prince Mighty's blanket is here because he hangs out. These are long cardigans, and these are just sweatshirts. I may want to put my Au revoir shirt on for 45's administration, like and goodbye. But I do want to wear this jacket tomorrow. This is one of the first pieces of clothing I ever bought when I went to Spelman. I bought it my freshman year, probably in September. I needed a jacket, and I went and got this. I went and got this denim jacket here. I have been wearing this jacket since the year 2000. Since 2000, I've been wearing this jacket, and it has all my Spelman pins on it. And this is my Sigma Alpha Iota pin for my music fraternity, and my Urban League pin. And so I want to wear this jacket tomorrow, and I can put it on with these. So the leather leggings look good. They are tight how you want leather leggings to look. You can see my little pooch right there, but it's okay. They look good. So I'll link them below because they're in stock now. But yeah, they look good. They even look good with the sweater I have on right now. But these are the leggings. They have the front piping down the front and side seams. So if I wear them with heels, I would look much more snatched. Yeah, so I don't have a shirt on. I know, so, you know, don't give me flack about that. You can't see that much, though. But yeah, this is my first clothing item I got when I went to Spelman. This is my jacket that I wore all 4 years, you guys. And it has all my Spelman pins, my Urban League pin on it, and my SAI pin. And it just reminds me of college. And the fact that I can still put this baby on, and I could still button it if I want to. Yes, yes, yes. Is like a testament to, I don't even know what, like good fasting. But yeah, with this and just like having a white button down underneath this, I think it's going to be so classic. With pearls, it's going to be a look. So now that I know that I'm going to wear the leather leggings and this denim jacket, I just put up a post on Instagram about it. So go to my Instagram post for January 19th and you'll see it. This is where I'm storing my clothes, getting ready to move, right? And so I need to find a white shirt in all of this. And I also need to find shoes and I need to find a handbag. Why didn't I reserve an outfit for tomorrow? I don't know, but I am trying to find it nevertheless.